You have probably tried everything: SEO, Google Ads, social media, Facebook ads. You have spent thousands of dollars and yet the results are nowhere to be seen. Leads don't come in, or worse, they are not the right ones. The frustration builds, and you start questioning, is marketing even worth it for my remodeling business? Let me be blunt: marketing isn't the problem. The real issue is working with the wrong people. You have been sold generic approaches that don't address your specific. You have been promised growth, but all you have gotten is wasted time and money. Hi, my name is Ankit and I am the founder of Media on the Rocks. I understand your pain because I have worked with business owners just like you, remodelers, who were tired of being burned by empty promises. What we do is different. We don't just run campaigns, we craft custom strategies tailored to your remodeling business. Here's how we can help you. Number one, Facebook ads to attract high quality leads from homeowners actively seeking remodeling services. Number two, landing pages that are designed to convert those leads into inquiries for your business. And number three, automated follow ups to keep your potential clients engaged and ensure no opportunities is missed, helping you close more deals. We focus on one thing: making you money. Our clients see a steady flow of qualified leads, increased inquiries, and most importantly, a return on their investment that drives their business forward. But this isn't just about marketing, it's about helping your remodeling business grow the way it deserves. Because to us, you are not just another client, we are here to help you succeed. If you are ready to stop struggling with marketing and finally get the results your business deserves, let's talk. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation with me. Together, we will create a system that turns your marketing dollars into a measurable growth. Stop losing money. Let's turn things around for your business. And I can't wait to work with you.